na po natin ng Yolanda. Alam niyo po, yan ang record po ni Senator Tolentino sa MMDA. Nung nasa Leyte kami, nasa Tacloban kami, walang dumadating po na tulong. Ang unang dumating na tulong ay galing kay Senator Tolentino ng MMDA. Unang dumating na tulong ay galing kay Senator Tolentino ng MMDA. Pakita mo talagang malalim ang pagmamahal niya sa taong bayan.
It is a good afternoon for coming together to remember the victims of Yolanda. I have the honor to introduce to you the man who years ago, on November 10, 2 days after Yolanda devastated the country, particularly regions 8 and 6, this man sent a convoy of medical teams that included 20 doctors, 20 nurses, and 40 relief workers to help in the massive search and rescue operation.
Pagkarami-raming vehicles nung basahin ko. Salamat sa Diyos, si Duterte unang dumating sa Leyte.
Child, dry your crying eyes. How can I explain the fear you feel inside? Guess you were born